Now that we have our sections and lessons or lectures being created, let's go back and make a little change in the course creation process so that each time an instructor creates a new course, we automatically create a new section and an initial lesson or lecture for that section in the course. So at any given point, the course should at least have one lecture and a section, and we'll do that when the course is created. So if we remember correctly, the course is being created in an action called store course action. And in here, we basically want to create a new section and a new lecture for the course when it's created. Okay, so that's very easy to do. Here, we just need to say course, actually here. So let's start with the section. So section equals course sections create and we provide it with an initial title of start here, okay, and a sort order of 1. So that will be the initial section for every new course that is created. Let's also do something similar for the lecture by doing section. So because we have the section here, so section lectures create, the course ID will be the course ID, of course. The title for the initial lesson, we'll just call it introduction. And this is exactly what happens when an instructor creates a new course in Udemy. So we are basically trying to replicate that here. And the sort order is also going to be 1. Okay. So I've gone ahead and deleted all the courses that we create in the database, and let's start from scratch. So let's go to Postman, and I'm just going to open the instructor, create course, and let's start with this one. Okay. The course, again, we are creating it in this category and in that subcategory, and let's create the course. Now we do have the course created. Let's go to the database, refresh. We see that we have that course. And if we go here, we should have an initial section for that course that says start here. And we should also have an initial introductory lesson for that course.